In this video we will be talking about one of the most vital organs in the human body, the heart. It's often called the engine of life because, without it, nothing in our bodies would function the way it does. Today, we're going to explore the heart's structure, how it works, and the essential functions it performs to keep us alive and healthy. Structure of the heart. To truly understand the heart's functions, we first need to understand its structure. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity, slightly to the left. It's about the size of your fist and is made up of 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles on the bottom. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, which then flows into the right ventricle. From there, it's pumped to the lungs for oxygenation. On the other side, the left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs, which is then pumped into the left ventricle, the strongest chamber, to send the oxygenated blood throughout the rest of the body. To ensure blood moves in the right direction, the heart has 4 important valves: the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves. These valves open and close with each heartbeat, acting like one-way gates that prevent blood from flowing backward. 1. The cardiac cycle, how the heart pumps blood. Now that we know the basic structure, let's dive into the heart's main function, pumping blood. This happens through a series of coordinated steps known as the cardiac cycle, which includes 2 main phases: systole and diastole. During systole, the heart contracts. The ventricles contract and push blood out, the right ventricle sends blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle sends it to the rest of the body. Then, during diastole, the heart relaxes and the chambers fill with blood in preparation for the next contraction. All of this is regulated by electrical signals. The sinoatrial SA node, located in the right atrium, acts as the heart's natural pacemaker. It sends an electrical impulse that causes the atria to contract. The signal then travels to the atrioventricular AV node, and finally through the ventricles, prompting them to contract. 2. Blood circulation, the heart's delivery system. The heart doesn't just pump blood for the sake of moving it around. It has a specific job: delivering oxygen, nutrients, and other vital substances to every single cell in the body while removing waste products like carbon dioxide. The heart works in 2 main circulatory loops: the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. In pulmonary circulation, the right side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left side of the heart. Next, in systemic circulation, the left side of the heart pumps the oxygenated blood through the aorta, the body's largest artery, and into the arteries that branch off to supply oxygen and nutrients to tissues all over the body. As blood flows through smaller vessels like arterioles and capillaries, it exchanges oxygen for carbon dioxide and other waste products. The now deoxygenated blood returns to the heart through the veins, ready to be pumped to the lungs again. This continuous circulation is essential for sustaining life. Without it, our tissues and organs wouldn't receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to function, and waste would accumulate, leading to cellular damage. 3. The heart's role in homeostasis, balancing the body. One of the heart's most critical functions is its role in maintaining homeostasis, the body's stable internal environment. The heart adjusts its rate and force of contraction based on the body's needs. For example, during exercise, your muscles require more oxygen and nutrients. In response, your heart rate increases, and the force of each contraction strengthens to pump more blood to the muscles. On the flip side, when you're resting, your heart rate slows down to save energy. The heart's activity is also regulated by hormones like adrenaline and signals from the autonomic nervous system. When you experience stress or excitement, adrenaline increases your heart rate, preparing your body for the fight or flight response. On the other hand, during relaxation, the parasympathetic nervous system can slow down the heart rate. 4. Heart health, keeping the engine running smoothly. While the heart is an incredibly efficient organ, it's important to take care of it to ensure it continues to function properly. Unhealthy habits like poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, and excessive alcohol can contribute to heart disease. One of the most common causes of heart problems is atherosclerosis, where plaque builds up in the arteries, narrowing and hardening them. This can restrict blood flow and increase the risk of heart attacks or strokes. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and managing stress can help prevent many heart-related issues. And, of course, regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential. Remember, the heart is much more than just an organ that pumps blood, it's the central component of a complex system that nourishes every cell in your body. Without its constant work, life as we know it would not be possible. So, next time you feel your heart beating, remember, it's working tirelessly to keep you alive, healthy, and strong. Treat it with the care it deserves, and it will continue to serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.